Hello everyone, I'm Uma from GoldenBee Global, Vibgyor, BTM campus. In India, rivers are not just seen as geographical entities, but they are life-giving gods and goddesses, and how this was an important part of our human well-being. Rivers are the arteries of our planet. They are the lifelines in the truest sense, said by Mark Angelo, internationally celebrated water conservationist and founder of World Rivers Day. Rivers have been extremely helpful to the humankind in all parts of the earth from the very early times of human existence. They provide water to slake the thirst of men, fertilize their lands, means of communication to all goods, to transport from one place to the other place. Rivers are great sources of fresh water on the earth. In December of 2003, United Nations proclaimed 2005 to 2015 as the Water for Life decade. Their goal was to ensure better care of planet's water resources. World Rivers Day is celebrated on 4th Sunday of September every year. This year, World Rivers Day is observed on September 24th. The theme of 2023 International Day of Action for Rivers is Rights of Rivers, which calls for the designation of rivers as national treasure. It also involves the legal authority to prevent rivers from becoming into sewage and trash disposal areas. With rivers facing threat, active involvement of people is the need of the hour for the better health of the rivers. This is the day when water conservationist groups, recycling societies, environmentalists come together to host a variety of events. Join in and celebrate a river near you. Let us host educational events to teach the younger generation and the general public about the importance of rivers. Let's spend the day at the river with family and friends. Learn more about the longest rivers and how they shaped our history. It's fun to have contests with others to name the most rivers. Share a picture or a video on the social media with hashtag World Rivers Day. By working together, we can ensure that our rivers remain healthy and vibrant for the generations to come. Thank you.
GoldenBee Global, the bee hive of learning.